Such a beautiful day here in Cabo. Working out in my gym, just finished my Pilates workout. I'm ready to go upstairs and make my green smoothie. Of course, the doggies are gonna follow me up there. Here's what we need. Creamy avocado, which has about 14 grams of fiber. Lemon, which is packed with vitamin C, which is so great for the skin. Ginger, which is super good for reducing inflammation. Pear, which is also super high in fiber. Cucumber, which is so refreshing, and it has vitamin K, which is great for bone health. And it's got super high water content, which is great for reducing constipation. Now let's assemble it. It takes less than 2 minutes to put everything together from beginning to end. What I love about this smoothie is when I drink it, I feel younger, my skin feels nice and clear, my body feels cleaned out. It's so high in fiber, it just makes you go to the bathroom. I'm just gonna be honest. Oh, that's great. Look at the ginger in my hair. Anyways, I actually saw this recipe in the Goop newsletter years ago. It was in January and it just said, hey, what a great way to detox and make yourself feel better. And I agree, it's so good. The only change I made is I added coconut milk to it. It's such a delicious and refreshing drink. Look at this gorgeous, vibrant green color. And of course, I have to use my pink flamingo straw. It just makes it so much more fun. Now let's head outside to check out the beautiful ocean view. This smoothie is so good, so refreshing. Check out the recipe in my caption below, and don't forget to follow me and hit the like button.